My name's Owen. I'm the Accessibility Coordinator here at Fortitude Valley. This video will show you possible routes to get from the railway station to the building here on 264 Barry Parade. So let's go for a walk.
Standing at the five ways, shade my...
We're at the Valley Train Station here in Fortitude Valley. This is one way you can get to the station. There are plenty of buses come through here, or even rideshare type services. Once you leave the station, there's a pedestrian crossing here, which is a safe way to get across. And then there's the option on the far side of the road, or you can continue further up this side of the street to the intersection. Let's go. We're now at the first crossing point, which you may wish to take some care of. That side of the street is probably the preferred way to go. It's a bit smoother, it's a lot wider, and the angle's a bit less, particularly if you're in a wheelchair. Do watch that intersection, cars come through quite quickly. On this side, heading up to Netherworld, the path's a lot narrower due to the construction work, and it tends to be a bit steeper. But choose the best route for you. Let's keep going. We're now at the top of Brunswick Street in Barry Parade. You'll see Netherworld over behind me. That's quite a good crossing there. And then you've got the big five ways itself, and this is the pathway to the Zed Barry Parade, St Paul's Terrace. It's quite a long stretch to cover, so you may have to use the traffic island to get across. Also be careful on this corner, because cars do come out of Brunswick Street quite quickly at times, so just watch out for them. Let's go.
We're now at the corner of Barry Parade and St Paul's Terrace on the five ways. If you're going to reception, the ground level, you proceed to the left down the pathway and you'll see the front of the building there, and there's a large green button to give you an accessible entrance into that ground level. You'll find reception there and our training rooms. If you need to go to the studio level, you would proceed to the right up St Paul's Terrace to the car park entrance to the station.
You're at the front of 4ZZZ on Barry Parade. There's an accessible doorway there, there's a green button on the right hand side. Point to note is do not park in this car park to the right of the station. That's private property and you will be towed.
So from the front door at reception, if you need to go up to the studio level at the car park and stairs are not an option for you, you have choices. You can go down Barry Parade to the five ways and then come around up St Paul Terrace, or on Barry Parade go down to the corner of Gibbs Street where you'll see the RSL headquarters, and go up the hill on Gibbs Street and then turn right and then come down to the St Paul Terrace car park entrance. That's how you get from the Valley Train Station, or those bus points in the valley, to the front of the station on Barry Parade, or the rear of the station and the studio level at the car park on St Paul's Terrace. Now we have another set of videos available to you if you are coming inside the station that explains the accessibility considerations for each level of the building, and there are 3 levels. So look for those, and of course at any stage you need to discuss accessing the station, please contact reception either on the phone or via email, and do check out the website. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to 4ZZZ.